Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, July 4th. The Zen story for today is titled The Temple That Washes Away. By the edge of the sea, a small village built a temple to honor the tides. Every plank was carved by hand, every stone placed with care. The villagers came daily to offer incense, bowing before the waves that never ceased their rhythm. A young monk, Daiki, tended the temple. One morning, as he swept the steps, he saw an old man watching the horizon. "What do you see?" Daiki asked. "The sea is patient," the old man said, "but one day it will take this temple back." Daiki frowned. "We have worked so hard to build this place. Why would the sea take it?" The old man chuckled. "Because that is its nature." Years passed. The temple stood through storms and seasons. But one night, the sea rose higher than before. Waves crashed against the wooden pillars, pulling them into the tide. By morning, nothing remained but the wet sand. The villagers wept. "All our work washed away in a single night." But Daiki did not mourn. Instead, he took a piece of driftwood from the shore and began carving. When the villagers asked what he was doing, he smiled. "We build, the sea takes. Then we build again." And so the temple was rebuilt. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. Thoughts may come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What in your life do you try to make permanent, even though it cannot last? What in your life do you try to make permanent, even though it cannot last? How do you respond when something you built is taken away? How do you respond when something you built is taken away? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. Also, encourage you to check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.